assignments, readings, lecture slides, exams. Studying can get overwhelming fast. Don't worry, we got you. Here's how you can use Goodnotes to keep on top of all your notes in your classes, lectures, and readings from the start of your semester all the way to finals week. Before we begin, create a dedicated folder for your semester. Inside it, create folders for each of your classes. Then, import all of your lecture slides, worksheets, readings, and guides directly into your class folder. Now you're ready to go. In the lecture, open up and annotate your slides in real time. Highlight important ideas, connect concepts, and add handwritten notes right next to the materials. If you find yourself trying to keep up during fast-paced lectures, turn on audio recording in your document so you can play it back after class. Outside the lecture hall, mark up textbook chapters and readings, adding in notes that you can refer back to quickly for upcoming assessments and exams. Deepen your understanding by asking Goodnotes AI to summarize and explain concepts that you're less familiar with. Writing an assignment? Open up a text document in Goodnotes, and using all of your notes, start writing using notes you've taken from your lecture notes, textbooks, and readings. Use the search function to find previous mentions of certain topics and phrases relevant to the assignment. When you're finished and ready to submit, export your text document as a PDF. During finals week, you now have a wealth of notes and guides to help you revise. A great way to revise is to test yourself with questions that might come up in the exam. Use Goodnotes AI to quiz yourself on concepts and explanations, and see how well you understand the material. From start to finish, use Goodnotes to annotate and organize all of your reading materials, better understand your classes, and get on top of your studies.